Hello, students of Standard 5. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. It is very interesting. This lesson name is Chapter 3, The Wise King. The Wise King. How wonderful to hear a king who is very wise. It is a story about the forest and the animals. Look at the picture here. There are so many animals. Camel is here, crow is here, eagle is here, elephant is here, ant is here, and the man is here. Everyone need friends. Everyone need helper. Here, people, as they please each other, help each other, some are very right in their doing. Some are very cunning in their deeds. Some are very good and innocent. So dear children, here are the animals who understood that lion is the most powerful animal in the forest. Who is the most powerful? Lion. And monkey, camel, all promised their help. Their crow also, and each one got their part. Let us see our lesson today, what he is telling us. The writer, what he want to explain us through this. An ox is strong, a deer runs fast. Each animal has got their own category. Oxen carries heavy load and also plow the land and things. So it is known as a very strong animal. Deer, he runs very fast. In the forest you can see in the some Discovery and so on, how the deer runs to escape from the lion or wild animal who hunts. Every creature has special quality or strength. It has a talent or ability to do something well. In your notebook, write down what makes this animal or bird special. So, everyone, as we human, have got different talent. Each one has different talent. Some can sing, some can dance, some can draw, some can speak. There are different talent. Some are so fearful, some are very quiet, calm, some are very fighting fellow, fighter cock. So each one has got a different talent and ability. Some children or some human, they create their talent. They make, they learn, they practice and struggle and get the talent. Here, in this book, the pictures are given, is asking right about their talents. Camel, it can remain 6 months without food and water because it carries the water with it. In the desert, it can walk on the sand. No one as fast as they can walk. They are known as the flight of desert. Here, crow. Crow can be a messenger, can go one place to other, flying and giving the message. Here, eagle. They also clean the area wherever possible. The dead animals are there, birds are there. They pick it up, they have it what they can have, so they clean it. Here, dog. Dog is very faithful animal. for the human and protects the house and takes care. Here, elephant is the most strengthful animal in the forest. It can carry big logs. And here, the ant, the smallest insect, but it works very hard. We have to learn from ant how to work. For their use, day and night they work. So dear students, this about the animals, each one. Two sentence or one sentence write in your copy. Clear? And if you know some more animals, you can write about them, what they are, how they live, what is their talent. If you can do, please do write and learn. It's good to learn about the animals. So what are the animals we have seen? Eagle, crow, camel, dog, elephant, and ant. There are so many, like fox is known as very clever or cunning fox. Have you heard? Like that, there are some more animals you will find. Make a list and write about their talents or what ability they have. Each animal has got their own ability as humans have their own ability. Did you understand? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, please don't hesitate. Ask me. He's asking you tell your friends also talents, not only about animals. Even in your classroom you will see so many children are there about the same age of you. In the class there are so many students same age. One or two will be some few months or a year elder or younger. There will be little age difference. All will be not the exactly same date, but there will be. But being the same age and same in the same classroom, still each one has got different talent, different ability, and this ability makes the beauty of the human. Beauty of the variety, beauty in the variety, the people all, each one has different talent. Even in one family, mummy, papa, brother, sister, grandma, 5, 6 people are there, and in that each one is different. Each one is unique, and that ability is wonderful, very beautiful to recognize with that. Always people see fox, they say cunning fox. Dog, faithful dog. An elephant is the strongest animal in the forest, which can carry heavy log. Bull, who can plow the land, who can carry the bullock cart, pull the bullock cart. Horse, who can go for the fight, who can carry the people, who can pull the tonga. So dear students, each one is different talent. Let us learn today about talents about the animal and our friends. Okay, thank you.